Today I'm going to show you how to put your transfer case in neutral on your GM truck or SUV. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your truck off. You're going to put it to the run position and you're going to put the truck into neutral. Move back to the four-wheel drive selector, and as you can see right there's a little neutral light. So we're going to go past 4 low and we're going to turn it all the way to the right and just hold it there. It'll come up on the screen, four-wheel drive shift in progress. And now as you can see, the transfer case is in neutral. To put the transfer case back into driving gears, all you have to do is put the transmission into neutral and use the four-wheel drive selector to select the four-wheel mode you want to be in. So here we are in a 2010 Suburban. So this will go for any GM trucks or SUVs in the model years of 2007 to 13, 14. So what you want to do, again, is put the truck into the run position. You'll see the lights flash, and you can actually see that neutral light flash for a second there. You're going to want to put your foot on the brake, put it into neutral, and turn it all the way over to the right and hold it there. And there you go. It's in neutral. So there's how you put your transfer case in neutral on any GM trucks or SUVs from 2007 to 2018. Drop a like if the video helped you out. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching J Bell's Outdoors.